Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a thumbnail for your video in YouTube Studio. Click the Upload File button in the thumbnail section to open your file browser. Navigate to the folder where your thumbnail image is saved and select the file you want to use. Your thumbnail uploads and appears in the thumbnail preview area, showing it's now applied to your video. YouTube recommends using thumbnails that are 1280 by 720 pixels with a 16:9 aspect ratio for the best display across all devices and viewing contexts. If your thumbnail doesn't appear immediately after uploading, refresh the page and it should show up within a few seconds. You can change your thumbnail at any time by clicking the thumbnail preview and selecting Upload File again to replace it with a new image. Keep in mind that custom thumbnails are only available on verified channels, so if you don't see the upload option, you'll need to verify your account first through YouTube Studio settings. And that's how to upload a thumbnail for your video in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.